Hi, I'm Dr. JoAnn Yanez, Executive Director of the Association of Accredited Naturopathic Medical Colleges. This presentation is just a basic primer on what is naturopathic medicine. So this is a really good one to start off on if you haven't had any prior experience with naturopathic medicine. Hope you enjoy. What is naturopathic medicine? Well, it's kind of complex, but it's also simple. Naturopathic doctors really hold the science and the art of medicine in their hands. We focus on whole person wellness, prevention, lifestyle changes, and integrating all of that into helping a person become the healthiest person they can be. Naturopathic medicine is based on 6 principles. The first principle is first do no harm. And what this means is we're really focusing on the type of therapy that's the most gentle whenever possible. Rather than doing a therapy that is very invasive or really high-tech, oftentimes NDs will focus on really just a basic, easy, and gentle treatment as their first level of care. The second principle is the healing power of nature, also known as the vis medicatrix naturae. NDs use this principle to really guide what we do with patients. We believe that nature has the ability to heal, and our body has the innate knowledge to heal itself when we give it the right tools. Another principle is focusing on treating the cause. And when we treat the cause of illness, we're focusing on what is the root of the illness for the patient, and for that specific patient, and not just the symptoms. Many people suffer with headaches, but headaches, as one example, can be caused by a number of different things. You can have a headache from a hormonal issue, you can have headaches from stress or tension, you can have even a headache from dehydration or something very serious like a stroke. NDs focus on finding that unique root of cause for that patient and addressing it for the specific individual patient's needs. Okay, here's a quiz. Who knows the root of the word doctor? What do you think it is? Healer, fixer-upper, somebody who patches up patients? No, the actual root of the word doctor comes from the Latin word docere, which means to teach. NDs are trained as doctors, but we're also trained as teachers. And what we do is we teach patients the lifestyle changes that they need to make in order to live the healthiest lives they can. Another really important principle is the one of treating the whole person. NDs recognize that health really is a combination of so many different factors. You have lifestyle factors that come into play, emotional, psychosocial factors, and health reasons, all as part of why a person may be presenting with a certain type of illness. And so what happens when a patient is really coming through with an ND and talking to the ND about their health issue, our naturopathic doctors are trained to ask many questions above and beyond just the health exam. We look into social issues, we look into your relationships and how you are with food, how you exercise, what your lifestyle is, and what your stress and your sleep are like. All of those factors are very vital in making sure that we live the healthiest life we can. And so as an ND, you will be focusing on all of those factors when you're treating patients. Lastly, but not leastly, is prevention. NDs recognize that really, preventing disease is so much better than getting sick in the first place. I personally feel we have a moral duty to prevent illness whenever we have the knowledge and the ability to do that. And so NDs educate and empower their patients in order to prevent illness whenever possible. So NDs are really varied. You've got some naturopathic doctors who use a whole slew of different types of therapeutics, and others who focus on 1 or 2 therapies as really their specialization. NDs are trained in naturopathic school on a number of different modalities. We use nutrition, we use herbal medicine, lifestyle counseling, homeopathy, hydrotherapy, just to name a few. So I hope I helped answer a few of your questions on what we do as naturopathic doctors. Ultimately, I see naturopathic medicine as the perfect blend between the rigor of science and the healing power of nature. Hope that helped, and if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact the AANMC for more questions and to help you along your path to becoming a naturopathic physician. Thanks so much.